it's Jen from Antique Stoves again. Today we are going to be lighting this brand new Kitchen Queen. I've never lit a wood stove before, a wood cook stove, a wood heating stove, nothing. So you guys are doing this for the first time with me. So we've already got the stove ready. I've layered it with newspaper, kindling, more newspaper, and then some more wood on top. This model has the thermostat control option on it to help with bringing it up to temperature. So we're going to go ahead and see if I can light this now. So as you can see, we've got the paper, we've got the wood, we've got our matches, and a piece of paper, and we're going to see if I can get this thing lit here. So I'm just going to let this burn a minute so that I can try and light this paper in here and get the wood going. Maybe ideally you would have one of those long lighters, that may help. Okay, so as you can see, we've got it all lit in here. We're going to go ahead, close the door, and get it up to temperature, and then we'll be back with you. Okay, so our stove is getting up to temp, so I am in the back of it now, and I'm going to go ahead and close the dapper back here. And this is going to help the heat from going up out and stay in the stove, circulate around, and heat it more evenly. Okay, so as you can see, the top of the stove back here is getting darker, and that is going to continue to go over the stove as the whole thing starts to heat. We are at about 250, 270. This is within 10 minutes of heating up here. So I'm going to throw a pan on here, throw some bacon on, and get to frying. All right, we've got our pan on here, got my bacon over here, and we're just gonna start cooking. As you can hear, it's nice and hot, sizzling away. I'm going to make sure I have a pot holder because this baby is going to get nice and warm on your fingers. Alright, so we are about 25 minutes in from the time I lit the match to light the stove. And I've never cooked on a wood stove. I've never lit one, obviously. I told you guys that. I honestly thought it was going to take me probably 20 minutes just to light this thing. And here we are 25 minutes in and the bacon is cooking. It's plenty hot enough to do whatever I'm wanting to do right now. And before long, we'll have bacon for breakfast. All right, so we're at the point now where this is hot enough that it's too hot for my bacon in this area right here, which is above the fire. So I'm going to need to move this over some to where it's cooler at, so that way I'm not turning this bacon too crispy to eat. All right, 30 minutes total from start to finish, and we've got nice cooked crispy bacon. I actually had to keep moving the pan over because it was cooking faster than I wanted it to, which was a little surprising to me because I didn't think it would get this hot this fast. So, as you can see, bacon is totally done. And the stove is heating up all the way over to the side. Oven's heating up now. and we're all done.